Divine's Blessing, Divine's Love Seminar. I'm AMRITA VIMALA. Meditation for Life Purpose, Part 5, Niyamas. It is second of Raja Yoga meditation. First one is Yama. I will give link in descriptions box. Just like Yama, it also has 5 principles. Niyamas refers to duties, help us to build our character. Niyama's first principle is cleanliness. Cleanliness means physical cleanliness, we all know. According to Niyamas, it is mind cleanliness or inner heart cleanliness. Examples: ability to recognize daily routine habits, early morning doing meditations, doing yoga or exercise which is flexible to your body, and is very important as pranayama, that is breathing exercise. Taking the breakfast at 8 a.m., 11 o'clock, fruits or else juices or boiled vegetables. 1 o'clock lunch, then after that 4 o'clock green vegetable soups or green leaves. After this we have to leave gap for 1 hour. Then you take black tea or black coffee or any herbal tea as per your wish. Dinner before 8 p.m. you have to take. Bedtime prayer is very important. Not only prayer, meditation. Bedtime meditations gives us inner strength. Teamwork gives us inner strength, makes us to concentrate or full focus if we take our bad habits, that is smoking and connecting with negative peoples. It makes our life spoil. Not only our life, our family also spoils. This is my kind request. Please follow this. It makes us to grow in everything. It makes us to focus in official work or business. Students follows these routine work means they will focus on their studies. Second one is contentment. Contentment, often easier said than done. A very common fluctuations of the mind is I will be happy in all situations. Yes, we can easy fluctuations this by cultivating contentment. Contentment encourages us to accept and appreciate what we have and what we are and right now. From that, we can move forward in our life and practice with more easy to grow in our life. This is the contentment of Niyama. Third principle of Niyama is discipline. Discipline means good regularity or humility. This niyama help us to create self-discipline, passion and courage. Discipline has many meanings and how it expressed in you can be different to someone else's experience. Important niyama of this is our inner wisdom. Sometimes everyone not only me, we will ignore the inner wisdom that leads me or anyone, makes us very sad in our life. I experienced in my life. Please follow the inner wisdom, that is God's divine voice. The fourth principle of Niyama is self-study. Self-study literally means self-realizations, that is, one's own reading or self-study. Saint Patanjali says, study thyself, discover the divine in yourself. Practicing self-realizations, observations and self of the self makes us more aware of the things that we do harm to ourselves and others. Example, what I am telling here, harm to ourselves means that we are thinking only about worries. This gives negative vibrations only. It will push our life down only. Please give your sadness or your burden to divine God hand. He will take care everything. And we should not harm others. Harm others means, you all know, I don't want to explain this. I will say self-studies plus the things that we serve us bring us closer contact with the true self. The true self means divine. Very important as self-study also encourages us to further educate ourselves in deepening our own knowledge. Niyama's fifth principle is surrendering to God. Surrendering to God means do our best, be authentic and trust God. God will give success in your life, but let go of your past story or past life. Be happy. Once again I am telling, please give your life in God's hand. Trust the divine power. Very important is cultivating the surrendering to God in our life will make you free from stressful thoughts and offers us to change to feel empowered in our daily life. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.